What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, CBD Smoke Doctor, back at you with another review. And today we're going to review a product. As you can see, got a little package in the mail today. It's from a company called Cosmo. And they sent me these beautiful stickers along with this product that we're going to be reviewing today, guys. And I like the way they had everything nice and packaged also. And today we're going to be reviewing, a broad spectrum CBD vape pen. Yes, guys, a broad spectrum CBD vape pen. And I really needed one of these. I know everyone likes to do full spectrum. I have those as well, but I wanted one where it's that I just get to relax. I just want to relax. So I got this one for when I'm on the go. I can whip it out, and I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. Check it out. This thing is nicely packaged. I like that. So you got to go through different layers when you want to get inside this box. Okay. So it's nicely packaged, guys. Shipping really fast. They got this thing to me in no time. So you can find these guys and order the same product at www.cosmo.health.com. I think it's just cosmo.health.com. So you have your booklet, let you know how to operate it, but with Cosmo, they make it really basic. You have your device, boom. This is your CBD broad spectrum oil. Let's get this thing open. So we're gonna open this. Everything comes well packaged, guys. Slide it in the device, like so. You ready to go. That's why this is a great device for on the go. Look at that. Now let's test this out. It has a really good flavor too. It really does. It has a really good flavor. I like it. So it's just pure CBD. It's broad spectrum. So that means that all of the THC is taken out and it leaves you with just nothing but CBD. Now, if you want the exact specs, there's a barcode that you scan on here and you get everything you need. All the lab results and everything is on that barcode. But I'm gonna tell you guys, the flavor is really natural. This one that I got here, this oil is 500 milligrams. So I should get a nice calm feeling off of it. I just took 2 pulls so far and I'm already starting to feel a little something. You know, everybody needs their little CBD fix. So this is a good device. If you're on the go, you want to be discreet, check out Cosmo, guys. Check them out. They're on Instagram also. I really like the flavor. Like I said, guys, you can check them out, www.cosmo.health.com. They're also on Instagram. You can go check them out. I really think they have a really good product here. And I love the flavor of it. It's nice and natural. So y'all guys go ahead and check them out. I guess I'll be back with another review soon. And I'm going to put the website that they're on the description below. Y'all guys enjoy your day. Peace.